What's up, guys? Welcome back to Become Calisthenics. Today I'm going to be showing you the most underrated calisthenics skill that a lot of people usually skips. And this is what it is. It is the bent arm planche. And I'm going to show you what the bent arm planche first is. So that is the bent arm planche. It's a skill that a lot of people usually skips. I don't know why. Maybe they think it's an unuseful skill, but it is very useful. It's because whenever you're doing this move, it helps you lean forward. You're gonna need that in calisthenics and your calisthenics skill training, because whenever you lean forward in a lot of your skills, you're gonna be leaning forward. Like let's say if you're doing a handstand push-up, whenever you go down into the handstand push-up, you have to lean your shoulders forward, and that's what the bent arm planche helps you. The bent arm planche helps you get that leaning forward momentum, helps you practice leaning forward, bringing your shoulders farther out than your hips and your arms, because whenever you do the handstand push-up, you're going at an angle and your shoulders are going to be in front of your arms. So the bent arm planche will help with that. Another skill that will help you is getting your body control, and a lot of people probably have weak body control. Well, this can help transit into handstands, planche, front levers, back levers, anything that requires you to be still and have body control. This will help you improve that, because this is one of the first skills a lot of people usually would learn, but sometimes, like I said, they skip them. So whenever you're doing the bent arm planche, you're straight, you're having to flex your whole body, which increases your strength muscles, your ab muscles, because you're going to need that control whenever you're doing the bent arm planche. Actually, I'll show you real quick again. Like I said, whenever you're doing this move, you're going to need a good amount of control, and this can help you transition to the handstands. Because whenever you're doing your handstand, you need to be straight. You need to have that control, especially with your arms, your shoulders, your legs. So bent arm planche will help you with that. Another great way to help you is to increase it, especially if you want to learn the planche. This is usually a skill. It is called the bent arm planche for a reason. This is usually a skill that can help transition that, because whenever you're doing the bent arm planche, you would start in a tuck, then you go into advanced tuck, then one leg, then maybe half leg, straddle, and then full. And that is kind of like how you would do it in a full planche, because whenever you're doing the full planche, you're going to go from tuck, advanced tuck, one leg, straddle, half leg, all the way to full. And this is a little bit the easier version, but it will help you get into your planche, because it will help you with that body control. It will help you leaning forward with the shoulders, what you need to do in the planche. It will help you get that bring your arms closer to your hips. It will help all that. It will help with your core strength. So I would recommend doing this exercise. I would recommend learning this exercise too, because like I said, it will help you transition to all the other skills in your calisthenics skill training. It will also help you gain strength, shoulder strength, because you're having to lean forward with the shoulders. So, and also will help with your core strength. So that is a skill that I would recommend learning. It is the bent arm planche. I'll show it to you one more time. Like I said, it's a great skill to learn. Don't skip this skill, especially if you're a beginner, or even if you're intermediate or advanced. Learn this skill. It's a great skill to learn. So that is that is a calisthenics skill that is underrated, but you should learn. It is the bent arm planche. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe for more content like these. Thank you.